Welcome to our Compact Dryer Showdown. Today we're comparing two popular models, the BLACK+DECKER BCED37 and the Euhomy Compact Dryer. We'll dive into their features, performance, and what real users have to say about them. Whether you're in a small apartment or just looking for a reliable dryer, we've got you covered. Let's start with the price. The BLACK+DECKER BCED37 is priced at $369 US, making it a more premium option. In contrast, the Euhomy Compact Dryer is significantly more affordable at just $239 US. This price difference could be a deciding factor for many buyers looking for a budget-friendly solution. Next, let's talk about capacity. The BLACK+DECKER BCED37 has a larger capacity of 13.2 pounds, allowing you to dry more clothes in a single load. On the other hand, the Euhomy Compact Dryer can handle up to 10.5 pounds, which may require more frequent drying cycles for larger loads. This difference in capacity could impact your laundry routine significantly. Finally, let's examine performance. The BLACK+DECKER BCED37 boasts a powerful motor with multiple drying modes, ensuring efficient drying for various fabrics. Meanwhile, the Euhomy Compact Dryer offers an eco-friendly mode, making it a great choice for those looking to save on energy costs. Both dryers have their strengths, catering to different user preferences. In conclusion, both the BLACK+DECKER BCED37 and Euhomy Compact Dryer have their unique advantages. The BLACK+DECKER offers a larger capacity and powerful performance, while the Euhomy stands out for its affordability and eco-friendly features. Depending on your needs and budget, either could be a great addition to your laundry routine. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.